I recently picked up the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. This is just a box because everything you see and hear in this video is going to be filmed using this camera using the internal microphones. Now this is going to be a vlog test. Now my style isn't the usual walk around and talking to the camera. I like to more capture the moments of the area I'm in, and every now and then I'll turn the camera around to explain where I'm at or tell a stupid joke. Now when I took the ZV-1 out for this test, I kind of messed up the audio. I'm used to using my A7S III, and when I don't use a microphone on it, I keep my levels at 15. So I put the levels on the ZV-1 at 15 also, and the audio was nowhere near loud enough. So in post I had to raise the audio pretty high so you can hear what I was saying. So if the audio doesn't sound really good, there's a little bit of user error. Now my settings for this test, I filmed everything in 4K at 24 frames per second. I used manual mode, so I kept my shutter speed at 1/50, and my aperture varied depending on the situation I was in. I did use an internal ND filter on this, but only when I needed to, usually when I was out filming in the sun. As for the ISO and white balance, I kept those on auto, because when I'm walking around vlogging, I don't really have time to set everything up, especially when I'm walking in and out of buildings, in and out of shadows, but I did make sure to keep my exposure value to 0. Now I used picture profile 10, which by default is HLG2. I did change the color mode on it to Rec 709 because it's easier for me to edit with. Alright, I think I got everything right. Let's get into this vlog test. So I'm here at storage real quick, just drop some stuff off and then head over to the next place. So let's do this real quick. Does anyone else do this? Like empty boxes of everything they bought. Oh man. Alright, let's head to the next spot. Been a while, yeah. She's still around. Go ahead and do it. Gotcha. Thanks, man. See you in a month, probably. I just had to renew my mailbox real quick. I headed over to Hobby Lobby to do a little shopping. Girlfriend's coming and my dog, so let's go pick them up. Are you done now? Oh, that's so gross. So the battery of this thing is almost dead. I only have one battery for this and I don't have a charger, so I'm gonna see how much longer I can last with this one battery. Looks like we made it just in time. The battery is just about done. So what'd you think of the footage? Now I only have one battery for this camera and I was able to get a little bit more than 50 minutes of recording on it. I'm gonna have to pick up 2 or 3 more if I want to get through a whole day with this thing. As for the audio, that's something I need to figure out. I want to compare the internal microphones of the Sony ZV-1 Mark II against the Sony ECM G1, the first generation Rode Video Micro, in the Sony ECM-W2 BT. Now this is actually a wireless mic, but the receiver has a built-in microphone on it, so I'm thinking I can use it as an on-camera microphone. I'm gonna have to do all these microphone tests later because right now, I'm starving, so I'm gonna go eat. See ya.